Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is June 27th, Thursday, I believe. All right. How are y'all doing this morning? Hell, is anyone even up right now? Let's see. Kind of tipsy. I swear, I'm still missing things. It's so weird to me. I don't know what's changing. Good morning to you. All right, let's see what we got going on. You're looking at a trade, an actual signal trade. Called out a few days ago. I listed the signal there from the tier 3 signal service. And what you're watching, it was on Google, and it was a daily, and it was a buy. And you can see the line right there where it says W2D1 and how that trade exactly went. Gonna get tipsy. Gonna be there tipsy. All right, let's see. We're good, we're good. I think we can start some. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. All right. Gonna be tipsy. Good morning, Rico. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Definitely not a king, Rico, but thank you, sir. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Is there anyone here on YouTube? There's a few. Number one, Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning. Good morning, Dozier Big Boy. And oh, Dr. McCain's here. Yay. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Steve and LD. You guys got this. I guarantee you. We just finished up reviewing a trade that was called out in the signal service the other day. I marked it down right here. What matters not is what the dollar amount is. What matters is the win rate, and that's your win rate. This is the trade. It was literally called out. Gonna be getting tipsy. This is Google, the first Google weekly data we had in recent times. You'll look, I told you step by step. This is the weekly daily charts. These are my weekly daily signals. You take the first one in the group that you see. Blues are buys, yellows are sells. Blues are buys. Notice anything there? You want to know step by step? Buy the system, get the sniper, and then get my signal service. That's how to be consistent, to make consistent profits trading. Gonna be tipsy. Look, I'll teach you how it's reading this, but look. And by the way, bad earnings, good earnings. Oh my God. They are so funny. Good earnings, the E's. Tell me. It's insane. Okay, I'm jumping ahead. We'll get back to this in a minute. All right. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Thank you for being here, each and every one of you. You're all going to be blessed for that. And hopefully good things happen your way. Good morning, Nathan. Gonna be tipsy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think it's always neat how people file in, and then right around open, we're up to about 70, 80, 100 people watching on YouTube, 30, 40, 50 people watching on TikTok. Because all they want is for me to trade the open because they're addicted to gambling. Here I am trying to teach you all how to actually trade, make money, hold trades long term. I'm coming up on 3 weeks on 2 of my trades. I'll teach you how to hold them. And I'll teach you how to fold them. Da, 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 da. All right. People on Ticker Talkers and YouTube, we are the Safe Trade System is the only United States of America issued trademark. It is a registered trademark to who? The Safe Trade System. To me and my wife for Class 41. What's a Class 41 trademark? Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. This is an official document. Some of you guys think it's like playtime or something. Nope. Legally enforceable. This is the person, Director of the United States. And there we go. And there it is. Yay. Thank God for that. Not only that, we have a NDA. Not only that, we have a legal disclaimer. Please understand that I'm not a financial advisor. This is all just for shits and giggles. This is just for fun and educational purposes only. I am just a social media influencer. I have a cool store. It's on YouTube. There's a link to it. Very, very, very good quality merchandise inside. I'm amazed. Remember that you're an adult and that you make your own decisions. You're responsible for your own decisions. We only trade green up arrow and red down arrows. Everything I do, everything I've created is just to teach you and show you how to trade the green up arrow and red down arrow. So how do we find those? Oops, before you get carried away. Please type yes. Good morning, Jason McCain. Good morning. Thank you for being on both TikTok and YouTube, Mike Mohan. Please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor. This is a legally protected trading system. Trademarked trading system. You take the first signal at market open. So the first yellow you would take as a market open. The first buy you take as a market open. We're going to go ahead and try something here. What are we going to try? Now, I don't know if these are going to show up. Let me see something here. We're going to try something. This will be the first one. We're going to play back something. We're going to play it back. We're going to go to the first one. Hopefully, hopefully we'll be able to see this pop up for us. We're going to pull this right here. And let's see if we can see a gonna be tipsy. There we go. Okay, first signal came up. Blue. This turned to green. The first time this happens, you can do what's called a market execution order. You just put a freaking buy in, demo only. Okay, so we're going to do that. Pop. And then every time one of these little blue lines come up, we're going to put a buy in. Every time a yellow line comes up, we're going to put a sell in. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm on Google. I've never done the whole entire thing before. So we're going to play some ups and we're going to play some downs. Gonna be tipsy. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. And it'll pop up over here. So we're just going to sit here. Do 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 do. That's your money. And we're just, every time a blue line comes up, we hit a buy. Every time a yellow line comes up, we're going to close out our buy positions and put a sell in. I'm pointing to the money right here. Here's another one. Pause. So you can see the weekly came up. DST1, actually, it's really good. We're going to do another buy. Boop. Every time one of these pops up, blue in this color case, we do a buy. Every time it's yellow, we're going to do a sell. We'll keep open the buys until the yellow comes. This is fully automated. This is the signal service. This is your money on the signal service right here. Another one, stop. You'd have to do a market rules entry order on this one. What does that mean? We have two rules. You would just follow. Gonna be tipsy. Another one. Now this is a timer W1D1 for the second time. This is our third time W1D3. So now you have to, we need to, Keith, take away. All right. So now we're going to open up another buy. Oop. We're waiting here for these to flip and for these to pop up. Here it is again. We're going to do another buy. Oop. We do a market order for the first time these match up. Every other order I'm doing right here is called a rules order entry. And that's just when you follow our two simple rules to get in. Two separate steps to get in, sorry. Another one popped up. This is the fifth time on this particular one. Another buy. What we're going over is Google. What I'm showing you is a fully 100% AI-driven signal service. Oop, another one popped up. Every time one of these comes up blue, you do a rules order entry now. Beginning ones are not. We're in another entry. This is your profit over here. Just keep eye of this. Don't worry about the dollar amount. Worry about if these signals were all right. See them now, green, green, pop up. Boom, sends to our Discord room. We're going to wait right here for another one. This is us getting tipsy. Da 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 da. And then the first time we see a yellow one, we're going to close all of our buy positions and open up a sell because yellow means sell. So we're going all the way up. This is another buy. Another buy. Every time one of those lines and the arrow changes to green, we do a buy. Every time we see a yellow one, we're going to close it down. Another buy. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna da 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 da. As soon as we see a yellow one, we will switch. Another buy. So you can see clearly that the system is called out correctly every trade from here on up. So let's keep watching this area. Keep your eyes on the arrows over here when they match. You can keep track of your profit too if you like. We're looking at Google right now, fully automated. Oh, sorry, I missed one. Another one. This is weekly, daily. Another one. Gonna be tipsy. Another one. Gonna be tipsy. That's when the arrows match. Blue line pops up. I keep saying another one. Those are fully automated buy stops being issued by the system. Another one. You can clearly see this turn to green right here. They're both matching. Week 3, first time week 3. This is your profit. Gonna be tipsy. By the way, it's predicting and calling the earnings before they happen. Just want to show you that one. Another one. Gonna be tipsy. And another. and another. Gonna be, and another. Gonna beat. These are all automated. There's nothing me controlling it. This is all done by a certain order of operations coded by the great Keith Palmer. As soon as we see a yellow, we're going to put in a cell. We'll see how it does when it gets to the top. Gonna be another. Gonna be another. There we go. Okay, we're going to stop. We're going to close. I don't know if we can close down. Okay, we can. We're going to close down all those. I'm going to put in the cell. This is all new to me. I don't know how to usually pull this shit off. We'll see. Okay, now we're doing the cells, if there is any. And we'll hold that until it switches back to a green buy. I don't know how many cells. Oop, there's one. We'll do another cell. How many cells actually pop up? You can see clearly that you're in profit anytime. You can close down these trades anytime you like. Another one. I didn't know we had these. How cute. All we're doing is Google. We're doing it automatically through the system. If you don't take profit when you're basically $5,000 up, you're being silly. Another one. So we played all the ups perfectly. Now we're playing the downs. And then as soon as this flips back to the up again, we'll, sorry. Another cell. I think I missed one or two in there too. And then we're going to flip over into the buys when it turns back to blue. And all you're supposed to take is the very first sell and the first buy. So this is already extra in here, but we're fine. Gonna be tipsy. Let me see if I can pull this whole thing down. There we go. Separate this. Oh, shit. Sorry. Flatten, buy. Sorry. There we go. Oh, shit. No, you can't see my stuff. Another buy. Well, we'll just leave the buy so you get the idea. Another buy. Watch. Every time these flip, that's another buy. Another buy. Another buy. Gonna be tipsy. Another buy. Again, we're just playing with Google, just seeing how the look at it. Another buy. Holy shit. Another buy. I just did the first blue one because that's the market order entry you're supposed to do. All of the ones have to be rule order entry. We're just looking at Google. You can see, oh shit, hold on, where'd it go? Hey. Oh, there they are. Watch down here too when they start announcing their earnings again. I don't know why they went away right here. It's kind of, because we're at the end. There it is, loss in cash. Win rate was 33%. That's a little inaccurate. I'm going to do that one more time. We're going to play it back at 10%. I was doing too many buys in the beginning. Sorry. Let's do it again. This is fun as fuck. This will be the first one to pop up right here. This is the only one I'll do. Let's see if she pops up. We're going to wait up for the green there. We're going to do our buys. And I'm just going to hold these buys. Once, I like how you can flatten it though. That's pretty fucking cool. Oh, price here again. Gonna be tipsy. Right inside of that thing is what you're looking at. And then if you could, watch this right here. You're looking for the arrows to flip around. Gonna be tipsy. Now let's see. Because technically you're only supposed to take the first of each grouping. Another buy. You can go in if you want. I'm not going to do it this time. I'm going to speed this up to 10 times. Another buy. Whole shit tons of them. There's your money. Now you'll see the true what's happening. You can do those other buys if you want, by all means. You just have to follow the rules. You'll notice this flipping around. Gonna be tipsy. Watch this up here. See all the lines as they pop up? There's your money. Gonna be tipsy. And then we're going to go ahead and close down these positions and then open up the sell right here. So we're going to, I think, flatten, and then we're going to do a sell. Gonna be tipsy. And there's your sell right here. I'm going to go ahead and take profit right here. We're going to wait for the next buy. Even though you could do all those other sells if you want, feel free. It's always the first one that you take. We're going to wait for a blue line. Right here is the first one on this. Gonna be tipsy. And every time this is flashing, you can take more orders if you like. It's forming a daily right here. You can see the blue. Every time the blue comes up, it's more profit. Shit, we're getting off the screen again. That's a little better. Don't care about the profit in cash, care about the win percentage. And again, you follow the rules, you'll be at near 100% every time you take the trades. So that was Google. I just like it. I think it's fun when you see all those things. Gonna be tipsy. And that is our freedom indicator that's doing that for you. All right, let me go over here real quick. These are the call outs I left you with for NAS, SPX, and US 30 yesterday. I'm going to try to do that every time I leave to go over these with you so that you can see what I left with. Yesterday, I couldn't even get done with the live before the 15-second hit went up and hit and made money. I was laughing so hard. I was like, God dang, I can't even get out of here and this shit thing's making money. You're in the money. You made a shit ton of money on the sell of US 30. You made a shit ton of money on the buy on NAS. And you are currently making a shit ton of money on the NAS SPX buys that were called out. Those orange lines you see are mine. These things right here is where I told you, and they're labeled. This one's 624 buy. This one was the buy from yesterday. Clearly in the money on NAS. Clearly in the money on SPX. And there you go. Now the 15-second one, shoot fire. I don't know if I can get down that low. Hold on. Let me see. I thought one of these still had the, yeah, here. So somewhere around here. Gonna be tipsy. So 1600. Oh, it was right before. It was right after open. Right. So let me see if I can get back that far on the 15-second chart. I doubt it. They limit you to the number of bars you can look back on TradingView. Why they limit you, I don't fucking know. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. So this will be the, oh, shoot fire. This will be the sell stop from when I left you. About 1640 it looked like, 1642. Told you sell stop US 30. It went down about 40, 50 pips. Perfect number. And then if you look at NAS, this is the one we were actually following when I left. NAS at the 1630 mark yesterday, 1640 mark yesterday, looked like, oh, this doesn't take forever, gonna be tipsy. Looks like gonna be tipsy is right here. Yeah, 1637, 1640. Yep. So when I left you yesterday, it was right around here. We were playing to the blue line. SPX and NAS buy to the blue line. NAS 15-second buy to blue line. Okay, then there was a 4-hour sell stop or buy stop called for all. So it's 15-second NAS would have been roughly speaking right here. Somewhere around there. And let's see what happened on the 15-second from that call point. Gonna tipsy. There we go. All right. So from that call, gonna be tipsy. Somewhere around here, boop, up to somewhere around there, 75 pips. So you'd have made about 50 pips on US 30 and about 60, 70 pips on NAS. Probably an additional, I don't know, 5, 10 pips on SPX. All from the calls I left you with. You might want to tune in for those calls when I leave you. I seem to be pretty okay with those particular call outs. What's up, Celtic 1888? It's my system I created, correct. Yes. It's called the safety trade system. And the indicator you were watching is the signal indicator that we use. That's comprised of two things. The machine gun pre-signal, which calls the signal out, letting you know there's other signals coming. And then the Hydra 2.0 signals. And they don't miss, period. What's up, Tony Plesh? What's up, Larry? Good morning, Larry and Garth. Thank you, Tracy and Davis, for being on both. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Carpet Repair of Arizona. Good morning, Ore, Raider Trader. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Brody the Builder. Good morning, Jones 808. All right. Just wanted to fire through a few of those things. I'm currently on my, I know some of you hate it. Why does he make the call outs? Why does he make the call outs? I will, don't worry. Everybody's here for the call outs. All right, let's take a look. NAS. Everyone's here getting tipsy. I'm going to go ahead and say 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute buy stops until the 5-minute arrow flips from red to green on US 30. NAS, SPX, US 30, 15-second, play any, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute until the 5-minute. We have to go to US 30 to verify that's what's happening. Hold on. Oh, yeah. 15-second, US 30, buy stop. 30-second, fill in the gap, buy stop. 1 minute, fill in the gap, buy stop. Play any 15, I have to say this 3 times. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute buy stops the US at least towards its 3-minute blue line and to its 5-minute blue line. If you don't know what the blue lines are by the system, we have goals. We have like a bullseye to shoot towards, and that's these blue lines. US 30 NAS and SPX. Nice. If you'd have listened to me at the anyhow, when I called this shit out, for instance, everybody getting tipsy, you'd already be in this trade. You'd already be in the trade from back here on NAS. Everybody getting tipsy. You'd be up almost 100 pips from the call I made yesterday on NAS. 100 points, 100 pips. Get the fuck out of here. Used to have people try to argue with me. Well, you know the indices aren't pips. Yeah, you know, I'll be nice. Yeah. There you go. And that's it. Now, those are your call outs for NAS, SPX, and US 30. If they change, I'll let you know. Gold in them Nar Hills. Everybody getting tipsy. Yeah, everybody hates my scene, but you know what? Tough shit. You get to have it anyways. 15 seconds. Damn, gold. Too late. Hold on. Play any 15-second through 5-minute buy stops to gold's 5-minute blue line. Forming a gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. Forming a 30-minute 1-hour sell stop. Forming a 30-minute 1-hour sell stop on gold. Told you the short-term buy, medium-term sell. Or if you don't want to horse around with all that bullshit, long-term buy. And let me pause right here. So many of you are so screwed up in the head. One of our nice members shot an email over to me yesterday and was like, oh, this and that and this and that. And it was on gold daily. If you're playing gold daily and you expect to get your money back in an hour, you are 100% mistaken. Gonna be daily. What do I mean? A weekly daily trade can literally take weeks and days or even months. An oil trade took 6 months to hit its gold 2 years ago on oil. I called a sell when it was at like 106. And I called it down to 78 or 76, whatever it was. It took 6 months to complete that trade. And this, see what you guys are used to, and I'm going to be honest with you. This is what you guys all do because I used to do it too, right? You're all addicted to fucking gambling. Let's be honest. You throw a trade out there, you pray to God, you get 1 pip in 3 seconds, and you get out of the trade. That's 90% of you. You don't know how to trade. You're too scared to trade. You guys want the truth? Or do you want me to sugarcoat things for you? Because the truth is, y'all are addicted to gambling. You might as well just go to Vegas and throw your money away on slots. Because that's what you do. If you actually want to learn how to trade and hold trades longer than split seconds, because this is what happens. Everyone's trading. Because I used to do it. I was wrong. Every time I placed a trade for almost 5.5 years, I was wrong. I'd plop it in. It might go up 30 cents. Then it went negative $2, $3, $5. I was like, oh, fuck. And then as soon as it went positive again, 50 cents, I sold it. Sound familiar to any of you? You guys crack me up. And then he wonders why the trade went straight down when I entered it. And, oh, woe is me. Fucking crap. Hello? Fucking crap. You know how long this trade could take? It could take 6 weeks. It doesn't complete a trade in a day, 30 minutes. Oh, it went straight down all night. So the fuck what? It's making a better buy stop, long-term gold. Daily buy, weekly daily buy. This has to finish coming down at least a little. Gold. Let me call it again for you guys. As the system is too, by the way. You see this right here? This is the second week. First time's always the best. Gold, weekly daily buy until this purple line comes up from down there and comes back up. Play any 15-second through daily buys, buy stops on any gold. You can do the European gold too. Just gold until this purple line comes up, until this pink line comes up to the blue line and touches it. Period. That's all you got to do. When this starts to flip upward, we'll get a whole bunch more signals coming out. But don't think that you're going to hold a trade. Look at how many weeks this was. Literally from the first call out the first time. Well, here, I can do it this way for you. Watch. This is how many weeks it was. This is how many weeks it was. 18 weeks. And then I have some nice person, totally 100% confused about trading, not understand that gold didn't go up in an hour. It took 18 weeks for this last trade to complete. And some nice gentleman emailed me saying, oh, I got in a gold trade and it went down. What? I'm trying to help everyone out there. Listen to me. Don't play with these big time frames if you think it's going to be over within 30 seconds. It isn't over with until this person right down here gets from the pink up to the blue, just like it did here. Am I clear on that? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. I'll go over it again if you guys need me to. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Good morning, Ore. Good morning, Brody. Good morning, Helena. Thank you, Helena. Truth. I know carpet repair. We all been there. We all been there where we're playing the 30-second trades and 5 seconds trades and 1 second trade, hoping to God we get the hell out with some money. 4th day in the system. I believe I fully understand. You fully understand after 4 days. Brody, you're a fucking genius. So I doubt it. I hope you do, though, my brother. I really hope you do. Yes, DPFX. 50 pips yesterday. Congratulations. I say standing over, but I'm already on my treadmill walking. Sorry I'm late. I made my daily target and gold push early this morning. The system called that an M1 buy stop for nice, Mr. C. Congratulations to Mr. C. Dr. McCain. Dr. McCain, these signals are now going to your charts. And these signals that you're getting, are you in tier 3, Dr. McCain? If not, and if you need it, even if you don't need it, I strongly recommend, Dr. McCain, you get these signals. They are so freaking accurate. As a matter of fact, quite frankly, between me, you, and God, they really can't miss. They're not going to miss. If you take the first signal, when they first match up, arrow to arrow, it just isn't going to miss. Yeah, I think beginners overcomplicated too, Brody. I literally just follow your 1 hour and minute rule. That's it. That's all you got to do. And it works on the daily too and the weekly too. It is incredible. Thank you, Brody. Brody's over here. It is incredible, and it doesn't miss. But wait, watch this one getting to 9 followers. Guess what me and Keith were working on yesterday, besides perfecting these and getting this completely done? Keith and I, Keith is our coder, super good man, good friend. Him and Tommy are the only 2 people I would consider friends I've made off of doing this over 2 years. I'm very selective who I call friend. But guess what we were working on? Bing, bop, boo. This is called, woo, the Holy Grail trade. Ho, 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 ho. Now, na, 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 na. The Holy Grail trade, in theory, is a trade that cannot miss. In theory, we're using coded against coded. So there's some signals, some symbols that go up, and some symbols do the opposite. We've coded that all in. Algorithm. We just fucking coded it in, and then you come out with the first one. So he's tweaking those. But yes, the Holy Grail trade is, whoo, it's looking smoking. It's looking so fucking good. Oh, can't believe it. It will be working, Lord willing, on NAS, SPX, and I think even gold. Oh, yep, even gold. Holy Grail trade. Just a certain way of trading that is going to be coded into the signals. It's a free upgrade we're giving. And it's basically, unless a zebra can change the stripes to spots, it's a trade that cannot miss. Gonna be there. That's coming next. I fully suspect to have that done by hopefully the end of July, if not the end of August. These freedom signals I was telling Doc about, we're going to be giving that to everybody on tier 3 that has tier 3, the actual indicators. No one will ever have the indicator for the Holy Grail trade. That'll literally just be a Discord room. Yeah, even gold. Mr. C's lighting up on this one. Which broker does he use? Six is king. Good morning, Six is king. You can use any broker you want. I happen to still be using Eagle FX a lot. My brother uses Tradeovite. You can use any. There's 30 brokers built into trade, over 30 built into TradingView. Gonna be the Dixie. We have a 90-cent loss going on odd USD, but this has been in profit multiple times. I just won't sell it. I'm doing a test on something. This is a long hold from 6.4 and 6.4 NAS and SPX, 2,281, 388. So that's basically 1,100, 1,200 pips on NAS, basically 170, 190 pips on SPX. Pretty good. If you consider, 11, 1,200 pips, pretty good. And that's through MetaTrader 4 Eagle FX. But you can use any broker you like. We have tons and tons. And look at all the signals. Holy shit. It's crazy, Dr. King. Tons and tons. Here's one right here. $11,130. This is made, congratulations to D Angar 77. And they just post all the time. Leon, a couple days ago, just post. This is Anthony Villaboza. This is the second withdrawal payment from a funded trading account. The second one, $3,000. He already had a previous one, I think like 2 weeks prior. Here's Kick. He made 8,800. Tommy's probably my best trader I have. He's exceptional. That guy. I wish I'll tell a story on him. I don't know. I think he said I can say it. All right, I won't say it. He makes a lot of money trading. Tommy does. Here's another one. And they just repeat. I mean, if you go back to the beginning of the Discord a little over a year ago now, well, actually a year and a half ago now, you would see thousands of these. Thousands. We have hundreds and hundreds. Some Kick has, matter of fact, let's go back. This guy right here has let's not exaggerate. He has 2 $1 million funded accounts. And y'all know how hard it is to get to 25,000. This fella Kick, Tommy's his name. He also has, he'd have to tell you, probably 20, 30, 40, 50 funded accounts he has. He can pass them in seconds. He just goes in there, passes phase 1 in a day, phase 2 next day. I mean, he's just an incredible trader. He engineers. He's an engineer. Engineers and military seem to do extremely well with this. And I have a feeling it's because they follow rules. But the military and your engineers, they just seem to be exceptionally good at it. Not other traders. Other traders can't get rid of their old habits. They can't get rid of all their losing ways when they think support and resistance actually works. When they still think head and shoulders works. When they think looking to the left works. Traders, old traders have a challenge with the system because they have to get rid of all the old crap they thought they knew about trading and it was wrong. And they can't take it. It drives them nuts to think that. Like I tried Fibonacci retracement for about a year and a half on NAS and EUR USD, and I couldn't get it to work consistently. So I was like, what the fuck? Yep, and people think volume work, it doesn't. VWAP work, it doesn't. Just Google it. Do less than 1% of day traders make money consistently? And that is the answer from Google. Yes. But we're all trained on all the old shit. That's why I give Tommy credit. He immediately took to the new stuff. He's been trading longer than me. I think he's like 12, 13 years deep. I'm only at 10. And it took him, he was making money within hours using the system. He loves doing options. He used to use Thinkorswim. I don't know what they call it these days. I think they sold that. I'm an engineer as well. Nice, Mohammed. Brody the Builder. Wow. Yeah. And then I know he withdrew $300,000 from his trading account just a couple months ago. So I know he makes shit tons of money trading the system. And we get testimonials every week. Oh, you guys should be thrilled about this. Anybody know what this is? 1, 2, 3. Anybody out here knows what this is? Can you explain to people what you're seeing if you know? Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. What is this? Gonna be a tipsy. This should be exciting to you people. Especially the people in tier 3, hint, hint. This is when we published 714 is when we give a free upgrade to everybody in tier 3. You're going to get the freedom signal indicators put on your charts. The code to freedom, correct. Well, you don't get the code, but yes, Mr. C, you're correct. So this is done. Now we might update the code. That's why we're waiting. Some of you might be getting the code as early as, July 8th. Some of you might be getting the code as early as July 9th or 10th or 11th or 12th or 13th. But all of you should have the freedom signal indicator if you're paying for tier 3 by July 14th. Oh, does that actually mean that it's actually done and ready to go? Yeah, we're about 95% sure. We're going to keep tweaking it, making sure the alerts are good and all that. But this is the final. Notice the wording up here. Before, remember, it was developmental. It was testing. Now it says 714 freedom daily, hourly, final. Look over here. Final, weekly, daily, final. So this has been finally approved by me. It's met all the rigorous requirements that I will put on my name on something. And I'm calling this the final version. And you guys, that's a quick 50 minutes of cardio. And you guys will be getting a free upgrade, everyone in tier 3, to the freedom signal indicators on your own charts. Literally, you will see these. No. See the word final? Woo! Final. Woo, woo, woo. Gonna get tipsy. Yep, that's what we're looking at. You'll have the arrows. You'll have your lines. You'll have the count. Can you imagine? No more guessing when entry should be. No more wondering if it's going to go up or not. There's your answer. Gimme, says Mr. C. I can't wait, says McCain. I know. They're amazing signals. I know. What's up, Peter P? Pete! Pete's in the house. What's up, Pete? I think Pete's going to be back on our lives if you feel like it. Come, not now, because next week we're going to be in St. Thomas. Yay. Hopefully with decent weather. And then we'll have him on probably the week of July 8th sometime. If he'd like to come on and grace us with his presence, that would be very nice. Such a good man. What's up, Glow? What's up, Mike Glowinski? All right. So, Glow, I don't know if you caught that, but we have the finalized version of our right here. And what this does right here is we manage access. So we put people in. Huh. Look at that. Looks like somebody's already been granted access. Glow, Glow, shoot over, email me over, or message me over your email, would you please? We'll add Glow. Mike Galinsky, he's my, I have John Verrilli. Well, I have Mike Galinsky as my oldest friend. Then John, his 40 plus years. John Verrilli's 30 plus years. Chris Smith is 25 plus years. That's about the extent of my friend group. Of course, my wife is my best friend. Unbelievably. I'm Shifty McCracken. I know what a name. I love that name. Sounds like McLovin. And so grateful. Casey McMahon. Yeah, this is going to be a fun ride for a lot of you. This is going to be a fun ride for a lot of you, boy. What do I mean? I mean, good things are coming your way. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. I know one word from songs. My wife knows every word, every word of any popular songs, even semi-popular, for the last 10 years. She can sing Eminem shit. She can rap as fast as Doja Cat on Agora. She knows every, I don't care, doesn't matter. Devil Went Down to Georgia, Post Malone, anything. Post Malone's having another tour, by the way, if anyone cares. I love Post Malone. He's a great artist. Journey's my favorite band. Separate Ways is my favorite song ever. But yeah, newer stuff. Post Malone kicks fucking ass. This meeting has really helped me see the overall system better. Yay, Peter P. Yay, Peter P. Standing up for that one. Good morning, William Jones. Is a machine gun. That's not the machine gun. You must have just joined William Jones. This right here, just so we're all clear. Let's get clear here. Let's get clear, shall we? This is what you're looking at. Gonna be the signals. Gonna be a sifty. The freedom indicator, freedom signal indicator is what he's asking about. It's made up of the machine gun, which is your pre-signal, and your Hydra's underneath that. That's your Hydra 2.0 signal. These two signals combined equal the freedom indicator. Yes, it's on track for July 14th. Yes, I just spoke about that. Yes, it's called the final. Right here. See, remember they went from testing to developmental to this says final now. Final. So, yep, it's on track. And a matter of fact, if you July 8th, not 13th, by the 14th, all of you should have it, Lord willing. But there's one final testing thing we're doing right now. But it's if I said it's within a tweak or two of something Keith would do, there's nothing major left for it to do. Gonna be a signal. So the freedom signal indicator, free upgrade to everybody in tier 3. The signals are already going to the signal rooms. You already have the free upgrade for everyone in tier 1. You already have the free freedom signals going to tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. You already have it. Bingo, boppo, bango. And every one of these weekly dailies made fucking either or making, there's only 3 or 4 of them. It's crazy how fucking accurate this thing is. Woo! And you also miss the fact that is it going to be the different than we have now? Mohammed. What do you mean? On tier 3, 100% different. You're already getting the signals in tier 1, tier 2. You already maxed out for the month. Tier 3 is getting all the signals to this day. All these signals from the freedom indicator right here, every line that's coming up currently that was just done a couple weeks ago is being sent into the rooms. All of them, including 72 plus signals, 72 signals that you've received for the hourly 3 minutes. Yep, these are already firing off into your free upgrade. These machine gun pre-signals, these Hydra 2.0 signals are being fired off into your scanner rooms and the Discord rooms right there. Already being done. Yeah, Mohammed. What's going to be different is, okay, maybe I'm not speaking slowly enough. Look, you do not have this on your current charts, do you, Mohammed? Pay attention. You don't have the arrows right here. You don't have these lines with the counters on them, do you, Mohammed? So yes, it's going to be totally different July 14th, okay, everybody? Everybody in tier 3 is going to have this literal, actual, the exact indicators you see right here, including this new line, will be on your charts. 7s, if you guys understand that, if you're in tier 3. 9, if you don't. You don't even have to say it if you're in tier 3. 7s, if you understand that this is a totally new indicator set that goes on your freaking charts. Wow, I'm trying to help people and they really don't get it. Wow, this is incredible to me. I'm about done. I might call it an even early morning here and be done. Jesus. Oh, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Gonna be tipsy. Da 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 da. Okay, so you guys do understand it. Yay! I looked up and saw. What's up, Martin? What's up, Casey? What's up, Michael, aka Big Pippin? Yes, sir. Wonderful Thursday. I don't have it yet. Yes. Muhammad, I'm not okay, Muhammad. If you can't understand what I'm saying, go back and rewatch some of my previous videos. Jiminy Christmas. Oh, okay. And some of you say, yeah, everybody at this point needs tier 3 because I'm flabbergasted at some of these comments. Oh, there we go. My email for trading. Oh no, sorry. Did I say email glow? I meant I need your username. Sorry. I need your trading view. I need your. My bad. Sorry about that, Glow. Glow's giving me everything. He trusts me. Sorry about that, Mike. Gonna be tipsy. DPX 100%. All of us will be free. Please give thanks to God. Well, no, you're not all free. You have to pay for tier 3 to get the free upgrade. If you're not in tier 3, you don't get the free upgrade. Holy shit. Sorry, Larry. Nope, that's not happening. What's up, Servano88? Hey, Kevin, how do I update my system? Write a nicely worded email to Bree. Well, actually, if you're just updating, if you're upgrading it, go over to here. Go over to thesafetytrade.com. And then, yeah, that's all. Go over to thesafetytrade.com. Buy it right there. That's how you upgrade it. $575 for the year. Gonna be sipsy. What's up, Rick? Good morning. Actually, yeah, I think it's that one, Glow. M. Glowinski, 1928. Dude, you're not 1928. We're old. We ain't that fucking old. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be. Now, why doesn't this happen with someone in here? Who is this? Final. Oh, there we go. Oh, send a nicely worded email to Bree asking for the sniper and the signal service. She'll send you links out to purchase those. M underscore Glow. Oh, come on. There you go. Dude, there's other Glowinskis out there, Mike. Did you know that? Huh. Nicodin Glowinski. Huh. M. Glowinski, 1928. Gonna be the blipsy. Gonna be a blipsy. Gonna be a tipsy. What am I? I'm giving my best friend of 40 years the service freedom indicator. But you have to learn how to do it, Glow. You have to be able to load them in. I'll show you what that is in just a second here. Gonna be tipsy. Soon, pretty soon, your guys' name will be on here too. Gonna be tipsy. I'll show you how to make sure your charts are set up. Make sure you look at the rules, Glow. Follow the rules on how to set it up. The rules are already out. They're already given. They're already in the rooms. They're already attached. I'll show you what that is. Gonna be tipsy. Gonna be tipsy. All right, Glow, you have them. Bingo, boppo, bango, my brother. You have them. They're all yours. Now, how does he set up his charts? Let's take a look. You're welcome, Servano. I see them. Thanks. Nice. So what Glow's going to see is under his invite-only scripts, he'll have the 3 that I just sent him. Okay? He'll go over here on the far left chart, and these are in the rules, Glow. So when you go over your rules, it's going to tell you all this. Watch. Okay, let's go over the rules. Here's your rules. Let's go over the rules. This is for Glow and every one of you out there because you're going to learn this too. The freedom indicator. Okay, freedom signal indicator. These are rules. They're going to be updated. Look at them multiple times a day. If you need help, don't you dare email us first. You go over your rules. You go over the Discord. You go to YouTube. Hell, go to fucking Google and Google your fucking answer. We're not fucking Google. If all of that fails, then you can email us. Just remember that. Rules for the freedom indicator. Here we go. Rules for the freedom signal indicator. There's a video on it. If it's not the first signal, then you must follow the 2-step rules. I.e., if you see a weekly green arrow in the freedom signal, then you take the first green arrow if you like. There's going to be a lot of drawdown. All further signals must come from the rules where you follow the 2 steps. It's called rules entry. Try not to trade before NFP, CPI, or FOMC because you don't know what you guys are doing yet. If you did, you can make shit tons of money like I do every time it happens. The freedom signal indicator is made up of 2 separate indicators. They work as one. The machine gun pre-signal and the Hydra 2.0 signal. The machine gun pre-signal is just that. It is a signal that goes out to alert you before a ton of Hydra 2 signals go out. Like a machine gun, they fire off. So I actually have a signal that gives you an alert that other signals are coming. Let that blow your mind for a second. Let me be clear. When you look, watch. When you look at this indicator, Mike Glowinski, Glow, when you look at this indicator and the top one turns green for the first time, that is your pre-signal that all these other indicators are coming. All these other signals are coming. And these are your Hydra. Let me show you one that's a little more aggressive. Let me show you one here. Watch. This on the top right here is your machine gun pre-signal. This tells us a signal that other signals are on the way. And you would set this one up on your 5-minute chart, the lowest time period, Mike. Just like you would set up if you were doing the weekly on the daily chart. So if you're going to be doing, if you like these types of trades down to the 5 minutes, you'll be setting this up on the 5-minute chart. So I'll go down to the 5-minute chart. Okay. We're going to come over here. Gonna be a signal. Yeah. See, there you go. We're going to go down to 5 minutes. So this is what you do. The very first time, see, look, this is the machine gun pre-signal. Watch, everybody watch. Everybody listen and learn. Okay? This is the first signal. When this pops up, it comes up over here. Let's see if we can play this back. Maybe there's a chance in heck this will actually work. Let's take a look. Waiting for this to turn. Waiting for this to turn green, waiting for a line to pop up over here. I'm going to do it manually to make sure it comes. Gonna be tipsy. There you go. See the red? This is called the machine gun pre-signal. This is a signal. Now, Glow and everybody, you can take this if you'd like. Feel free. You can take this signal if you like. It's a market order execution, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's a deep drawdown if you do. This is alerting you. This is a pre-signal telling you these other signals are about to happen. You will then take market order execution, the first signal. What's up, Robel? Good morning. What's up, Brian Claus? Good morning. So does everybody understand that this D1 is your machine gun pre-signal telling you to look out for these other signals that are about to happen? 7s if you understand that, 9s if you don't. If you can't make money with this system, yeah, don't do trading, I would say. Yes, Larry Cooper. Yes, Glow. YouTubers. Gonna be the tipsy. Gonna be the dipsy. Nathan Henderson says, okay, so this is your pre-signal telling you that these signals are about to happen. I swear, if you guys let that sink in, I should see 100,000 mind-blown emojis. Because not only am I telling you the signal service isn't just telling you when to take the trade, it's telling you what to look out for. So right now, you will never take any buy stops if they come up. As long as this is red, you will only take sell stops. So I just narrowed down your chances of winning. I made them better by 50%. Just with this signal alone, you will not take a buy. You can only take these if they turn red. Okay? So watch what happens. Now, I don't know. To be quite frank about it, I don't even know if this will generate anything. We'll see if it pops up on our screen. They're really weird. We're waiting for another line and another signal over here. If one pops up, great. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to manually go out of here. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that's a... Really? See, the playback feature works sometimes and other times not so much. Fuck. All right, let's go out of that. All right, so this is where we were. All right, so we take the first signal. This is it right here. Let's go back here. This is this. Boom, 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 boom. Then over here, let me see if I can just grab it this way. Let me just see real quick. Gonna be tipsy. Let's see if we can grab it right here if I do it manually. Oh, come on. There we go. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. Now, Glow, the first time you see these two match, you can do a market order or you can do the two-step rule entry. But you can do a market execution order when these match. You could put a sell in if you want, right? And then, boop. Look at them fire. Look at them fire. So let's go. Now that it's showing that we can do this, watch. Watch this fucking shit. So now that we know that, watch. This is fucking going to blow your guys' mind. So now we know that the pre-signal here is telling us to look out for any of these signals to pop up. Usually it'll be at 9 times out of 10, it'll be a 5, 10, 15 minutes, somewhere around there. So let's go ahead and just go very slowly now. I'm going to pause it when we see our line pop up here. There it is. See, Glow? When these two match up, everybody, you can do what's called a market execution order. You can just fucking hit the sell button. Pop. You can't hit the sell button 20 minutes later. You have to hit the sell button when it happens. Within a minute or two. Boom. All right. This is our money on that trade now. What am I in? Gold. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and play it. Watch your money on gold. Watch when more come up. Now here it is again. There's another match. We don't do a market execution order here. You have to do what's called a rules trade. Wait for the half moon, blah, blah, blah. You go in to sell. But once you do it, right, then you can do it and you can put it in. Does everybody understand you can only do market execution orders on the first time they match? This is the second time. You have to follow the rules trade. 7s if you understand that you have to put that rules trade in. There is a mind-blown emoji. Thank you, Pete. Nathan Horner. Thank you, Pete. Still water fasting. Just broke my dry fast, which was yesterday too. I dry fasted again. I'm nuts. All right. So there you go. Yeah, Dr. McCain, I'm telling you, I want Dr. McCain to get all his fucking money back in a month with using this thing. So pissed they took all his money. So match. Second time can only be rules. What are the rules? Just the 2-step rules that we have. Step 2, look. Step 1, go to the whatever time frame you're on. Step 2, match it with the higher or lower time frame. That's all you do. Look for the logo. It's all you do. It's no big deal. The normal rules you guys used to. This is all new. Everything you're seeing here is going to be given to you by July 14th. If you're in tier 3 paying for it, you get this. It's all new. No, you don't have it on your chart yet. Don't fucking ask me that if you have it on your chart yet. You don't. Okay, so anywho, let's look at our money. Let's watch it go forward. So the first one you can take additional ones by all means. You can. You could take additional ones if you want. I wouldn't. I would just do the first one, but that's why we have them there. There's your money. Now, if you don't sell when you're up $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 on a trade, then that's your problem, not mine. Okay? And that's it. Boop. And that's your sells. Now watch what it looks like. Let's go out of this. Boop. Okay. Now you see, well, these are calling sells and it's going up. These are calling sells and it's going up. Well, you're supposed to take the first one. We don't take any other trade unless you can find. And by the way, that would have made money. These would have all made money. But again, it's down and to the left. You have circle, blah, blah, blah. You only take the first trade. All future other trades are rule-based, and you may or may not take them. Okay? That's up to you. So if we look at this on a little higher time frame, you're going to see something so fucking cool. Now watch. All these green ones, let me move this over a little bit so TikTokers can see it. All these green ones, let's move this over too. There's no need, you don't need to see all that. Gonna be tipsy. Look at how fucking cool. Look at this shit. Watch this shit. You think the first green line up here went live? Boop. This is your daily, by the way. No daily buys. It never called a daily buy. Then you have your daily sell over here, and all the red came down. Green up. Look at the green up. Green up. Look at it. Here's a daily, never went down. It called a daily. No other calls were made. Look how accurate that fucking is. Greens up. Greens up. There's your reds down. Look at how fun. This is why I should call this a Netflix instead of the machine gun. I should call this the Netflix signal. Because to me, this looks like the lines of Netflix when they bull out at you, when they make those lines come at you before the show. That's what I think it looks like. But I think Netflix would sue me, and I don't have that kind of money to defeat them in battle. So, and does it work just on gold? No. Every fucking thing you could imagine. There's NAS. Watch. See, look. Here is a NAS sell. It never engaged. Here is a NAS daily, and there's your buys. Look at how accurate the fucking system is. D4, buys, first green line always. Look. Look at how accurate. Look at how, you want to be consistent with your trading, make consistent profits. Here's a D1 sell. Here's your first sell. Look at it drop down like a rock. Look at it. That's NAS. That was gold. US oil, doesn't matter. Pick one. First D, next line. Every one of these, the exact same thing. Here's your greens. Here's, see right here, you always see this little outlier. This is your D, your first one. Then this is your buys, made money. D, first ones, made money. That's oil. Here's ERUSD. Every time, I don't care what you're trading. I don't care what symbol you're trading. It works on everything you can chart. Everything you can chart. I don't care if it's Ethereum. I don't care if it can be charted. I don't care if it's wheat futures. If it can be charted over 1,000 symbols, this is how accurate this shit is. Just look. D1, there's your sell. You wait to hear it. These are your sells. The first line, there it goes down. This is EUR-USD, the number one traded pair in the world. Here's a D1 buy. Now it went up, but it never called any buys. Here's a sell, never called any sells. It's that accurate. Look how fucking accurate it is. So here is your D1 buy, but it doesn't call any until here. And then from there, you can clearly see it went up by miles. Look at how, you want consistent, buy tier 3 signals. There it is. But see this big drawdown and then pop. There's your best one. GBP, JPY, I don't even know if it can miss. It's impossible for this thing to miss. GBP, JPY just keeps going up and up. You want to see it? This keeps going up and up and up and up. Doesn't matter. You guys get pissed at me when I show you this because I go in and I start showing you the how many 6,000 pips it made in 4 years. It's crazy. And if there, see, look at how there's no sells. GPY is what? See, here's your daily line. Watch. This is your daily call out. Boop. And these are the signals when they start to call. Isn't that cool? Isn't that just look like fucking coolness personified? Look at that shit. Pre-signal, there's your signals. This is your machine gun alerting you that all these other signals are coming. There's all your other signals. If they don't come, it doesn't show the signals. Here's your sell. There's your first one, and you would have made money. Every time, I don't care. We can go into XRP. We can go into Bitcoin. Yes, it works on Bitcoin. Jesus. Oh, no one knows the future of Bitcoin. Really? Daily one, sell. Really? How about this? How about we go up to, watch this shit. No one knows my fucking ass. Want to know what knows? Right here. Look at them all. Buys on the way up. This would have been a non-sell. Here's your sells on the way down. Buys on the way up. Sells on the way down. Buys on the way up. Yeah, it knows Bitcoin. Google. Just a jokester right here. Of course it knows. And by the way, just so we're all clear on this subject, look what it does on your earnings. Look what it does on your earnings. Let me be clear. Here's your earnings. Here's the daily buy beforehand. Yes. The system literally calls out earnings. How did it know it was going to go up? There's your earning report. There's the daily buy. Well, several days before the earnings. Just saying. Amazon. GBP, USD. Doesn't matter. Anything you guys want to pick, it works on. Let's see Netflix. That'd be cute. We'll see Netflix on Netflix. There we go. See this daily one right here? It never went down, never called it. Here's your daily one. It went up. Here's your daily one. It went up. They had good earnings right there. Daily went up. Every time, everyone. Hell, on gold, we can go back to like 1970, and then it actually goes back to like 1940 on gold. Craziest shit you ever seen. Non-repainting, let's be clear on this. Non-repainting indicators. If you don't know what that means, you'll learn. Everybody getting tipsy. Gee, I wonder what these things are. Everybody getting tipsy. We have different colors for the buys and the sells. Everybody getting tipsy. $1936. Fucking nuts. Gonna be, just make sure you're on the right time frame with the right thing. I have to go back to setup now, don't I? I'm having too much fun though. Everybody getting tipsy. How cute. By the way, does anybody think for a second that gold's going to go up forever? It went up from like $30. I get that. But it's going to reset and come back down. Everybody thinks that like US 30, let's take a look, can go up for 23 years straight. 20 years straight up, never coming down. US 30. 20 years straight coming up. Oh, but it went down and blah, blah. No, it didn't. It just made a buy stop for us. That's all it did. 20 years straight of going up for NAS. Never coming down, right, guys? 20 years straight going up for SPX. 20 years straight going up. US 30, NAS, SPX. And you really think that this is going to keep going up? This is an election year. They're going to keep pushing it up until after election is done, if they want Biden to stay in office. If they don't, well, then they won't. If they're going to drop it, if they don't want them in, they'll drop this market like a rock, like it should be dropped right now. No, nothing keeps going up forever like this. Nothing. A monkey could have threw darts at a board and made money during the last 20 years trading. Look at it. Anyone could have done this. Anyone with anything. If you could press a button, you could have made money in the last 20 years, 23 years. Can't lose. Couldn't have lost. That's why I always tell everybody, you can do day trading. Sure, you can make money with it. Absolutely. But just get a freaking mutual fund of VOO, Vanguard. I know I trade against them and win, but I'm just telling you. Because all they do is they move out the loser companies and put in the winner companies. As long as you think the companies are going to earn money, the shit's going to go up. Now, eventually, I think they're going to drop all this like a rock. They're going to pull it down where it should be, down to its blue line. When they do that, they're going to usher in the digital dollar. That's my view on it. I don't know if I'm right. I'm usually okay with those kind of predictions, though. And I would say whatever version of the digital dollar, whether it's based on XRP, whether it's just Bitcoin, whether the government outlaws all digital currency and makes their own, I don't know. That's how I see it going down. It's a total fiasco right now. This is a total unbelievable. It's no way this is going to continue to go up. Zero. As I say, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. As I tell you, it's going to go up. But in reality, this shit should be dropping like a rock. Gotta drop like a rock. What's up, Tyrese Abdul Rahim? It's over 1,000 different stocks. Yes, I can check FedEx for you. I always say good morning, Tyrese. You must be new here. Good morning, Brian. Thank you, Matt Parker, for speaking up. Yeah, they're skeptical. Now, who's over here talking shit? You use tools, don't lie. No, what? You use other tools, don't lie. I know you. Simon Mike, I don't know who the fuck you are, bro. Simon Mike. Did you block him? Or is he still here? You use other tools. Who is this clown? Come on, do you know how many seniors started this system since beginning and quit? Simon Mike, what are you talking about? Thanks for trying to get rid of this clown. If he's here, though, I'd love to talk to him. He must be mental. You know me, huh, Simon Mike? Considering I don't know who the F you are, bro. So why don't avoid those false signals? There's no false signals, Simon Mike. Show me a false signal. There's none. Boy, some of these people, there's no, you take the first signal. They're not false signals. Oh, my God. I hope you guys didn't block Simon Mike. I'd like to let Silly Man come through right now. Time out for another 7 minutes. Thank you, Matt. That was awesome. Thank you, Peter P. So Simon, who I've never heard of in my life, knows me. Why do the false signals? First of all, you have to be on the right time frame to read your signals, and there's never a miss. Name a fucking stock or a symbol you want me to trade for you. Matter of fact, let's go to FedEx. I haven't looked at FedEx. I don't even know. I think way back when, a few years ago. Clown boy. Here's FedEx. Oh, they must have had some kind of earnings. They just bounced up. I think he was saying he knew me, and I have no clue who he was. Oh, he thought he knew you, Peter P? I don't know. Gee, this is, look. Oh my God. All right. I'm assuming, did FedEx come out with earnings yesterday or a few days ago? I don't know, but let's take a look at something. So Clown Boy over there, Simon, can learn a thing or two. This is FedEx. In a couple minutes. Okay, thank you. Look, everybody out here, this is a new person, Tyrese Abdul. Tyrese, you're going to listen to the replies. You should go over to YouTube so you can see it. What is this right here, everybody? Green, 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 red, green, green. What is this? Is this a buy stop or a sell stop? Everybody, go ahead and answer. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull this up over on my channel. Watch what everyone tells you. Okay, you're about to see some comments come in. Let's see. All right. So these are your comments now, everybody on TikTok, so you can see what these people are saying. Okay. Buy stop. Everyone speak up. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube, speak up or I leave. Let me be clear. Look what they're telling you, Tyrese. Buy stop. So they know. Okay. So these people are coming in. They're telling you BS for buy stop. Okay. Gonna be a bit and Okay. So let's go back over here. And let's go back over here. Oopsie, that's not offside. And then we come back over here. All right. So this is known as a buy stop. So we would put our buy line right here. He is a Russian scammer. Oh, okay. Thanks, Rebel. Mr. B, thank you, Mr. C on thing. But I showed because I figured a lot of people on TikTok aren't paying attention. And look what happened. So let me be clear on this. Watch. This is a buy stop, weekly buy stop. This is what happened. They had earnings come out and it shot up. This is your earnings. Now, I'm not going to touch this with the 10-foot pole. What's going to happen after this with FedEx? But that's what happened. And we called it. This would have been called out. This was called out. The first buy stop was called out on June 10th. They just announced earnings, evidently. I don't know. I don't follow this. Look what it called out before it. Look over here. This is a buy stop right here. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Look what it did. Boop. Boop. There it is. Good morning, Annie Apple. Tyrese, does that make sense to you? If you can make colors, if you can look colors, green, 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 red, green, green, you can use the system. There you go. And you can't say this didn't happen and call it out before. Did the same pattern here. And it doesn't matter whether it's FedEx, weekly, daily. It doesn't matter. When you see this pattern, matter of factly, let's go down somewhere and let's take a look at something. Good morning, Erica. Gonna be Okay, here we go. All right. This right here is green, 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 red, green, green. What time period am I on, people on YouTube? Because they can't see it on TikTok. What time period I'm on FedEx. What chart am I using? What time period is this? Morning, Annie. Morning, Erica. Morning, Martin. Morning, Banner Video. Yay, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Peter P. 1 second. 1 second. Now, do I recommend you trade 1 second? Hell fucking no, I do not. But this is 1 second. This is a buy stop right here, just like it was on FedEx weekly, daily. And look what happens. There's your 1 second. This to me is psychotic. Here's another more obvious one for you guys right here. Another 1 second buy stop. How on earth can a system work from monthly charts to 1 second charts? Fucking incredible. I don't know what to tell you. And yes, it works going up, and yes, it works going down. Now, if this person would like me to make some call outs on FedEx after it already went up a staggering amount, 1 second sell stop to the blue line. It's going to go down. I don't know if it touched it or not. These look like fractional. When the market opens, 1 second sell stop to the blue line. 5 second sell stop to the blue line. Now, this is silly because they could do aftermarket trading. I have no idea. And I'm not really going to call anything. That's not real calls. The reason I'm not going to call anything because this is too big of a movement. You missed it. You're what I call a day late and a dollar short. You should have made this call. You should have been in this trade before it happened on FedEx. I'm not trading it after it's up here. That's just stupid. Not doing it. Now, if you have another symbol you'd like me to check out, fire away. Fire away, fire away. Hasn't it been 7 minutes? Where's our little hater boy at? Where did he go? What was his name? Besides Fool Boy. Now, where's Silly Man at? Where'd he go? Simon Mike. Where you at, Simon Mike? No, I hope he is, though. I didn't see him when he was talking his shit. I like him to point out where he thought there was a misread on the things. I thought you guys only put him on. So Simon Mike, here, come on, bro. As you're being douchey, I'm going to be nice to you. Let's go ahead and go. So let's follow the rules since you're such an expert on me and you know what you're doing. When this first comes up, you weekly one with the DTS. This is a normal safety trade right here. This is a buy stop. You take the first one. Did it go up? Yes or no, Simon Mike? Did it go up? The first time it happens is the signal you take. Did this go up? Yes or no? We'll get some common sense into them. I know he wasn't seeing it. I wasn't. I was too busy trying to help you all deal with this. Go lower. We're not going to the lower time frame. We're on a weekly day. Okay, see, Simon Mike? If you can't answer a question straight, I'm going to ban you for fucking life. Answer the question directly. Did this signal go up? Okay, Mike, I'll go down to the 30-second signals for you. We'll open up another chart with 30 seconds. Answer the fucking question or I ban you for life. Go ahead. Did this signal go up? Yes or no? See, guys, this is what happens when you have to penetrate a troll's mind. You're watching what happens. He deflects. He can't answer the question correctly. He can't just be truthful. He can't be honest. He can't answer anything. Go ahead, Simon Mike. Go ahead, Simon Mike. See, he can't answer anything. See you, bro. Watch your mouth. Fool. Get out of here. Oh, I would love to destroy him, but I won't. I'm going to be nice. Simon Mike. Can't even answer questions. Here, since Simon Mike wanted us to go to a lower time frame, a faster time frame, let's go ahead and open up the actual thing that has it. Watch your mouth. Boy, people out there are just haters. You know what I'm saying? They are nuts. All right, here we go. We're going to go down. What am I even on? Oh, we're still on FedEx. All right, let's go to a lower time frame. We have turned on our, there we go. Here's the first blue signal. You can take this if you like on the hourly. Did it go up from here? Yes, it did. But I'd rather find some that are multiple firing. Hold on. We might have to go up to a 5 minute or hold on. Yeah, here we go. It's a shame. You try to help people, you try to reach people, but some people are just haters. There's just nothing you can do. Silly little fella. All right, here we go. First time it's called right here. Did I just go over this? He must have missed the whole talk. First time it's called, you can take this. You're going to have a huge drawdown. I wouldn't recommend it. I'd wait for the very first signal to come out. The very first signal in this case is right here, right there. It went up, made money. Obviously, if you follow this over, it kept going up and you made even more money. So that's that. If you want to go to a sell, we come back here. Very first signal's right here. Of course, it went down. First, second signal right here on a 30-second. We'd have to go down to that 30-second. Hold on. I don't know if we can go down to that 30-second. Let me see. Sometimes they allow you to go low, back a little bit, but most of the time they limit you to the 20,000 lookbacks. By the time I get back there, it's going to be pretty. Wow, that was cool. What is this? Oh, this is an earnings. A 30-second? Holy fuck, this is even impressive to me. Ho, ho, ho. What the fuck? Is this, hold on. This is crazy. Yeah, this is what is this? This is earning. So a 30-second buy stop, broken buy stop, I might add, was called 30 seconds before earnings on FedEx. Earnings must have come out July 25th at 2,300. Wow. It was a 30. I'd never seen 30. Usually it's the hours, the 15 minutes that catch the buys. This is incredible to see. Oh, digressing. Hold on. I don't think I can even go back that far. I'll have to open up two charts. But trust me, if it called a 30-second sell stop, it went down on the 30-second sell stop. But yeah, and that's FedEx. I haven't looked at FedEx in 20 years. I have no idea what the fuck that stock does. Let me see something on Apple real quick, though. Every time it's correct, by the way, to shove it up Simon's butt, so to speak. Every time. It doesn't matter. Let me go to Apple Current. All right. So it's looking right here. Oh, it did have bad. Was this earnings? 1 second down. Yep. Interesting. Hold on 1 second. We're going to go to daily. Weekly, daily. There we go. So, buy. There wasn't a daily right here? Weekly. Buy. No, why not? There should have been a daily buy right here. I noticed this the other day when I was whipping through this one. Weekly one. No, that's incorrect. What's the weekly doing? Oh, it can't call it because the weekly wasn't there. My bad. We'd have to go down. That's why. But I noticed this the other day when I was whipping through Apple. Let me go over here. Hourly. Yeah, daily hourly, this one. All right, let's go down to like yeah, there it is. Okay. So, right, it didn't. I was wondering why it didn't catch the daily on the weekly, but it's a different trade. So, see, now this is what you guys got to understand. You have to be on the right time charts. So, this daily right here is caught. Then you can either play this if you want, but you really shouldn't. I would only play the first time the two match. Let's see if we can play this one back. See, it's so ironic that there can try to be a hater out there, considering the fact that the system is now infallible. Now it cannot miss. Now it shows it. Watch. It's so funny. You can't hate this. Look, see the buy line right there? Well, Simon doesn't because he's gone. But watch. This is now a buy. You do your little buy. What is this? Apple? Oh, hell no. We'll have some fun. Let's put in 1,000. Okay. So we have our buy. That's your price if you want to see it. But this is the first time this comes up right here. You really should wait, however, until you see the very next one of these pop up. right there. Stop, stop, stop. Damn, damn, damn. Right here. Then you do your buy. As soon as you saw, let me bring this down a little bit. It's either a 5, 10, or 15 minute 99% of the time. Then you'll see it later form the 30 minute. Then you'll see it later form the hourly. But that's it. So when you come in, you should really do this as your first time. So let's see if Simon Dorkman over there, let's see if we make any money with this trade. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is Apple. Look at the buys being called out. That's all. You take the first and all these other future ones, you do what's called a rules entry. And that's it. So there's your daily. There's some money on it. There it is. Pop, pop, pop. And that's it. Isn't that incredible? And instead of hating, isn't that a shame? He could be making shit tons of money. He's got to be running his mouth out there. It's kind of silly. All right. Let's go back to our regularly scheduled program and see how US 30 is doing. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Still have time on that buy right there, by the way. NAS. Beautiful in the money on NAS. Gorgeous. Let's see what we did on our 15 seconders. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Looks like US 30 was a 1 minute buy. Isn't that what I called? Didn't I say play any? I'm confused. Did I not say play any? Could have swore I said that. Didn't I call out? Hold on. This morning when I first came on, I thought I did. Hold on. Yeah. Did I not say play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys until the US 30 3 minute and 5 minute turn green? Did I not say that, or did I? He is a dumb. He does have to learn the hard way, but I don't have to teach him. Could have swore I called that. 3 minute, yes. Okay. And 5 minute, Bob. Could have swore I did. Well, anyway, hope somebody made money on those calls. Because it looks like they've been shooting up now, because that's the US 30 flipping. Now we're going to wait. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys to the 3 minute buys to the 5 minute blue line in US 30. Or if you don't like those time periods, play a 30 minute. Watch your mouth. People are so dumb in this world, I swear. Sell stop. US 30, 30 minute sell stop. I don't like it, but it's there if you want to take it. US 30, I'm not going to call a sell on NAS or SPX, even though there is one on SPX. The only sell I'm calling is a 30 minute sell stop. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. All right. I think we're good on those. Gold, I don't remember what I called. Euro USD, I did call. GBP, JPY just goes up, doesn't matter. XRP is just a buy stop, plain and simple. Let's see what Ethereum's doing for Larry. All right. Let's see what Ethereum is doing. Let's see if we can catch anything, first of all. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Hate me up. Hate me up. Not much we can do there. 5 minute. Play any 15-second through 5 minute buy stop on Ethereum until the 10 minute blue line for Ethereum. Then, yeah, I like that play. Then look for Ethereum. Weren't we in some kind of 2 hour sell? Wasn't that yesterday? Day before? Some shit. That 2 hour sell did go down, forming a Another 2-hour sell, Ethereum-ish. 2-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour sell Ethereum. Thank you, Bob. Casey McMahon hates us because he ain't us. Could have been us. All you have to do is join. Forming a daily. Yeah, I'm going to drop this down further. Be careful. Forming a daily, weekly buy stop Ethereum. Yeah, I like this. Good too. Yeah. And I would play any buy stops on Ethereum until it gets over 43, 44, 4,500. That's just me. Who knows? Maybe it won't do it. In the meantime, one of our guys, Larry, is up like $700 a coin. Pretty easy call on that one. He did real good. He actually listened. All right, that's Ethereum not calling Bitcoin. I called it 200 times, over 200 times, from 26,500 from March 8th of 2023. No one listened to me. Well, one person in our Discord listened to me. Other than that, I'm not calling it. XRP, just buy it. I don't give a fuck how low this thing goes. I own it. I'm not a financial advisor. Use demo money only, as always. I happen to own XRP at average price at just about $3,000, $2,800 worth at 31 cents. Just like I tell everyone the same thing for Amazon. I don't give two fucks. Oh, look at Amazon go. Amazon. We're on the wrong thing. Sorry. I was like, why the fuck is it calling us now? There you go. Amazon is a buy. I don't give two rat ass fucking shit about Amazon other than it's a buy. I've been saying that since Amazon was $93 a share, and it's now like 180. It's almost 200, 194. So yeah, you'd have doubled your money. Just buy Amazon. Just like I tell you to buy VOO. Just get it. Put all dollar cost average your money. Put a 500 in a month, 200 in a month, 1,000 a month, whatever you can afford. And then if you think that in 20 years the everything will be up in America, then you'll make money. Just like the last 20 years, if you think America is going to crumble and fall, well, then you have other issues. You won't be worried about trading. You'll be worried about much other things. So that's my view on it. Ethereum, yep. All right. Anybody else want me to check anything else? Let's go back to gold for a quick second here. Daily. Yeah, daily, weekly buy. Stick by that. And again, some people don't understand this shit ain't going to move in 30 seconds. Why aren't you on a faster time frame? Boy, Simon Mike's a real whippersnapper there. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Trying to help some people, and they can't even answer a simple yes or no question. That's all. Lordy. You better watch it. You better watch what you're saying. Gold. Here's gold. Could you look at NVIDIA? Yes. NVIDIA is an easy one to read. Yes, sir. Let me see where gold's going to. I sure hope I called a buyer. Yeah, there you go. Play any 15-second buy, stop, buy. 15-second to the 5-minute buys, buy stops to the blue line. It's going to go up and touch that again. It already did it. Did I not call a buy on gold earlier? Fuck, I hope I did. Then, yeah, it might go all the way up to the 10-minute line. Oh, shit, we might get a 1-hour touch. And then gold is going to form a 1-hour sell. And if you don't like that, then just wait for the weekly daily buy. Damn, I sure hope I did. Peter P. Yes, you called it. I did, Pete? No fucking way. I did not. Did I actually call that? Fuck. But Simon must have missed that one. Yeah, you didn't notice we're actually playing 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Where the hell was he at when we were calling out 1 second? Yes, you did. Thanks, Pete. All right. No, I believe you, Pete. Pete knows. Pete's fucking genius. Pete is a very, very good man, very smart man. Yeah, he knows. Cool. Well, hit it. Yay. Y'all made money on your gold call. And I know y'all made money on those US 30 NAS and SPX calls. That's a given. NVIDIA, let's see. NVIDIA NAS. Let's call it off of this one. You did want NVIDIA, right? Yeah. All right. Now, long term, let's just do this. Shall we? Long term, okay, let's just do this right here. We won't even look at the yellow ones. We'll get back to that in a minute. Your weekly buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy. Okay, that's long term. Can I go to daily? Yes, here we go. Okay, here's it being called out, earnings up, earnings up, earnings up. So that's that. So this is, it's already been done. It's too late. I don't know what people keep doing, whatever. There were some sells right here. I guarantee you that went down on the first one. Here's, look at your blues that went up and so on. So anyway, this is NVIDIA. Daily, this is your monthly. Okay, this is your weekly. This is your daily. And this is our 4 hour. So I'm not going to call shit monthly because, well, it's ridiculous. It's already flatlining. It's already up high. It's got to come back down. Weekly, it just did what I said it was going to do. Here it is. This pink had come up. When this comes up, you make money every time. When this comes up, it makes money every time. It's already to the top. You can't call weekly buy, so there's nothing to call NVIDIA. I don't like the monthly. It's flatlined. I don't like the weekly. It's just gone up again. The daily, it just separated. I would wait. See when this is weekly daily now? Weekly daily one. You can do a buy stop right here. You can, absolutely. But it's too far away from my logo right here. I'm not comfortable with this. But you can do this. This is a daily buy stop. Now, what you should wait for is for this hook to happen and then take any lower time frame that Simon says we don't use. I would take any other time frame as this comes up. I would look for 30 second, 1 minute. I would listen to any freedom signal that comes down to the 30 second to the hourly as this hooks up. That's how I'd play this. I wouldn't do an overall buy right here. I would wait for the hook up and then play the smaller time frames as this rises. Does that make sense? Who asked that question? Martin, does that make sense? Good morning. It's my time. It's my time. It's now or never. Does that make sense? Yes or no to everybody? Cool, Martin. Annie, yes, good. Mr. C says, okay, cool. That's how. Now, if you want me to go short-term NVIDIA, which stocks are really, really hard to do, I just got to be honest with you. The short-term plays, like trading to the blue lines, because they'll jerk it around. Obviously, sell, 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 because NVIDIA is too high. Sell, sell, sell. Where's it going to? Where is it going to? There you go. Short-term, if you'd like to play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line, feel free. But then I would look strongly and hard into the 7-hour buy stop. It's a 7-hour, 7-hour daily buy. So short term, play the sells to the 15-minute line. Long terms, play the buy from the 12-hour or 7-hour to the 12-hour and to the daily, technically, buy stop. Because it is a WTD1. The W1D1 is your best. Remember, I keep telling you guys this. The W1D1 is your best. And that's the one you could have took right here. And this is when NVIDIA was down here at... Is that right? NVIDIA was at $40, $50? Oh, come on. Let's play this one out, shall we? Here's the W1D1 too. W1 safety trade. This is the best one you can get. Then this is the next time it did it and so on. We can go ahead and do this first grouping. Let's go ahead. Do we have time? Yeah, I have time. Fuck that shit. Watch. Let's go ahead and do this. We're going to wait for the green here. We're going to blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to play it. I'm going to do the first one manually so we can see it. You're going to have a big drawdown now. This is a weekly. If you decide to take this, it's very, I don't like it. I allow it in the rules because It's another option for you guys to do market order. But I 99% of the time prefer you do wait for this green one to pop up. But I'll do a buy right here. Boop. Okay. And we're just going to play it back normal. And I hope my other lines pop up. This is how much money you are or not making. We're waiting for this line to pop up. The arrow will match. When this first one happens with the arrow matching, stop. That is when I would take this, boom, right there. And now we're just going to sit here and wait. So this is the first time did it. Now you're going to have to wait a little bit. Now, matter of fact, I'm going to speed this up a good bit because this is a long time coming. Watch your price to see you could have sold right there. I didn't. Oh, another one popped. Another two popped. Damn it. But again, you don't have to take these. You could just take the first one, hold it, and wait. You have to do rule order entry after the first time this happens. By the way, we can stop. You can clearly see you're in the money on those trades. You can enter it again and again and again, or not. This is NVIDIA. Jeez, oh fucking pizza. There's another call on NVIDIA. Look at this shit. I didn't even enter in any of these later ones right here, just the first two or three. I think it's three. Every time this flashes, you can do a rule order entry. It resets every week. Every time there's a new week one, it resets. You can re-enter a market order on a week one. See, every time that pink came up, look, there's price. There's your buy stop right there. Look how cool this is. See this shit live. There it is. Don't worry about the dollar amounts. Worry about the win rate. And there's your win rate. And there it is. That's NVIDIA. And I called it out directly for you. And that's exactly what will happen. Great Thursday, everyone. Good morning. Kev, sun is shining. It's going to be a great day. Yay, Adam, I agree. What's up, Euro Trades? It's a beautiful day. Is there any news today? Any news? Big news. Don't care about it. If it's not NPI, if it's not CPI, NPI, if it's not NPR radio, if it's not CPI, NFP, or grounding, there we go. FOMC, I really don't care about the news. Look at that shit. Gorgeous. So you could have been buying NVIDIA from $44 to where it's at now. Just saying. And if we go back further enough, yes, this first time is correct. You could have went back further enough. Okay. I might have to switch over to monthly. Hold on. And I'm going to have to take these off because they won't read it correctly. Look at this shit. Look at that fucking rocket ship known as NVIDIA. Holy shit. Fucking nuts to think you could have been buying this shit at like $2. Nice. Let's see that same trajectory for XRP. There's Bitcoin. Ethereum. Here's one that looks like it. GPB, JPY, baby. Don't get me started on this one. Heads up. GDP news today at 8:30. And tomorrow, FOMC. Nice. Oh, tomorrow's FN and CPI. Oh, they're going to have a fuck day tomorrow. We're going to make shit tons of money at CPI. That's 8:30. Thanks, Ore. What's up, Ore? Good morning, Raider Trader. GDP, you and me, CCP, NFP. They make up all kinds of fucking shit. So if there's news in 30 minutes, we'll trade it. Hopefully it's some big news. I hate when it's shit news. If I break up my training for shit news, it pisses me off. NFP, CPP, BPP, NFR, QSP, ABC, you and me. All right. If there's any kind of news today, don't trade it. Lock in your profits. I'm in long-term buys. Let's take a look at what we're going to have happen at that news. Let's see what we're going to have happen at that news today. Do I want to pull back? No, I'm good. We don't even need a pullback. Here's what's hoping what they do. Let's see if we can get some hope amongst hope. Let's pray they're moronic. And this is what they do at the news. Sorry. They do this. They keep creeping up, whatever we're doing. They jack it down like this, like idiots. And then we'll drop in and we'll get a whole bunch of, I'll do a whole bunch of contracts. I'll trade live with you guys. And then they'll jerk back up. Let's hope they do that, especially on NAS. I'd really like to see that on NAS. SPX is fine too, but I'd like to see it do this on NAS. I want to see it, whatever it's doing now, don't give two fucks. If it's any kind of news at all, though, I hope they jerk it down. And then we'll get in, we'll put some buy stops in and see what we do. Now, if it's a full-on sell, let's see if it's going to be a full-on sell. No, we'll know. Right before it happens, we'll see it flip. And if it doesn't call it, then we don't take the trade. Everyone's always so worried. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, we're going to miss a sell. If it happens, we ain't going to miss it. When they flip it around, we'll catch it. The system will call it. It'll know. 15-second. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. To the 30-second. Oh, neat. They're doing it now. You had a 3-minute buy. You'd have made money on US 30, by the way. The 3-minute buy. Again, if it doesn't go up and touch the 3-minute, I don't care. As long as you guys would have made 12 pips. Should have been out of the trade. What's this forming? I like it. Yeah, only thing I'm going to call is that 30-minute sell on US 30. Be careful, because if you enter into that trade right now, you could be into the sell right now. Let me get rid of this. You could be into the sell right now. I would be if I was trading to be off this green line as a sell. So if you're in this trade as a sell on US 30, and you can be, just make sure you lock in profit. Don't get carried away with, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy with US 30, okay? Please be careful right here. It's absolutely, a very nice sell stop. You can take it, by all means, take this trade. I like it. I like it. I like it like that. Yeah. Hold this sell stop if you're in it to the 10-minute blue line. The only trade, only one I'm calling is for a sell is US 30, like I said earlier. I'm not calling NAS. I'm not calling SPX until I see it completely flip. Not doing it. Ooh, as I say that, I might do it right now. SPX. Oh, I'm going to watch. Let's watch this. SPX to its 15-second blue line, but hold on. Let's just see what happens. Can it beat NAS to the blue line? Can it beat NAS to the blue line? I always feel bad because poor SPX never gets any respect, I swear. I think yesterday, was it? The day before, when it actually won something. Rarely is it first to do anything. Rarely is it second to do anything. Usually SPX is bringing up the rear. Okay, well, I hope it comes in second at least, because US 30 obviously blew past it. Now, again, be very, very careful with this US 30 sell. Even if you're in it, even if you're up money, which you should be, right? You either got in the sell here or you got the sell in here. Make sure you lock in profit on this US 30. I don't want this going sideways on where it starts to arch and come back up if they have any kind of news or anything, okay? Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Flight 379. Another gold touch as I was done. Damn it. More free money. Again, as you see, every day he makes more money, says he can get out, and he makes more money. Good morning. Good morning, Greg. I'm kind of stalling here. I want to see, I want to see if NAS or SPX will get down to or closest to. I don't think we're going to see it. Fine, whatever. Poor guy, SPX. Yeah, it is. It's just one of those things. I don't know why it's always a lagger. It's just, Every once in a while, though, it kind of pulls itself out of the funk. All right. Where were we? We called out that. Called out. Looked at gold. We even looked at Netflix. GBP. You know what I hadn't looked at is GBP USD. Let's take a look. Oh, Ricochet. Sell stop. 30-second sell stop. GBP USD back to the blue line. 30-second. It's not a very good trade, but it is what it is. If it hooks and comes back down, take the trade. I'd put it at the green. Yeah, I'd put it at the green. Yeah. Now, if you don't want to play 30-second time frames, which I don't blame you, buy stop. 3 minute. Put it at the red line, yellow line. Put it between here. Put it right there. Buy stop. 3 minute. GBP USD. GU. 3 minute buy. 5 minute buy. GBP USD. Forming a 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell. You kind of should already been in this one, but 30 minute, 1 hour sell GBP USD. Nothing. I'm already down too far on the 4 hour. Yep. 12 hour, 12 hour. Daily. It's forming a daily, weekly buy. Boy, I don't like that weekly already there. It's okay. Should have caught it here. Did I not call this out? It was back in April. Probably not. Fuck. But that's okay. Daily buy. This is a daily buy. See over here, I put this down now. I didn't see that before. Yeah, this is correct. Daily buy stop, and I like this one best of all. Buy stop to the blue line on the daily. GBP USD daily buy. I like it. For myself, patience and contentment to make money trading is the key to maintain a high win rate. Patience is, my wife has always said for the last several years, patience is the love language of trading. Patience you need to have to trade. You have to wait for the trade to come to you. You have to wait to hold the trade. You have to have patience to hold that trade. You can't just go jerking out of it because you made $1 kind of thing. Thank you for sharing that, Ori. All right, that's GBP USD. What else do we have? We still have about 26 minutes if there is any kind of news, which Ori said there was, but whatever. GDP, you and me, East Coast Company. All right. Anybody want me to go over anything? Anybody want me to talk about anything? Anybody want me to help them with anything? Speak up now. It has to be kind of generic terms, but ask away. If anyone's new here, speak up and say you're new. I got to turn something off. I'll be right back. East Coast Company.